Here we are. It's Thursday, June the 2nd. We're at the pet resort, Rock and Dog Resort. We're on the little dog side, and they're having a blast. It's a beautiful sunny day, and they're playing with the balls, chasing the balls. Hey guys, hi Weedy, hi Weedy. Hi guys, hi, 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 hi. How are ya? How are ya? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Huh? Are you having fun? And it's a beautiful sunny day, and they're all having a great time. Hi, Weedy. Say hi, Weedy. They're chasing the balls, playing in the grass.